Hi guys, it's Colin from GetJamaica.com and we're here today with the first video in our Jamaican Recipes Capital. Now what we're telling you is that Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the third edition, the downloadable version and the hard copy version available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble, is the capital of Jamaican recipes online and anywhere else in the world. Now today we want to be reviewing the authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. And now the authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipe that we're looking on today is the Montego Bay style jerk chicken recipe. And we're just going to quickly give you the ingredients that are used for this. We've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground thyme, half a teaspoon ground red peppers, and 2.5 pounds of chicken pieces, and that can be the breast and the wing, or it can be the leg and the thigh, of course, and you can chop those up as you would like. Now once you've got all of these ingredients, the next step for you to do is to mix all of them in a very small bowl, with of course the exception of the chicken, and you're going to batter them up until you've got a nice thick mixture. Now once you've got that, you're going to pour that over the chicken and cover it. Now this is a secret to jerk and great tasting jerk chicken, and to a great tasting authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipe, is that you allow the chicken to marinate in that dressing for a minimum of an hour. Now of course if you do that for an entire day, it's going to taste even better, but of course an hour is good enough if you're rushing. Then of course you're going to drain and discard that dressing mixture after an hour has passed. Take your chicken, place it on a greased grill over hot coals, or you can actually use your broiler. Just ensure that you keep the broiler pan 5 to 7 inches away from heat. And of course you can grill, you're going to grill and broil for about 40 to 45 minutes, turning it frequently until the chicken is cooked through. And of course it's as easy as that. Takes roughly about an hour and a half to do, and there you have it. You'll have your authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. Now of course we got this recipe from Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the 3rd edition, and here's what you get when you buy and you download that cookbook. You get over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. It's downloadable in minutes. You've got over 20 chapters of Jamaican dishes, 500 cooking tips and hints, 350 terms in a clickable index, and a built-in search function. Now it doesn't get any better than that for this particular downloadable cookbook, and of course a hard copy that you can actually pick up online at Amazon or Barnes & Noble. And there are of course other great recipes that we've got in there. You've got a tasty ackee and saltfish. We've got mackerel rundown with green bananas. We've got callaloo and saltfish with boiled bananas. You've got the famous tasty red pea soup. You've got your ordinary. We've got an entire chapter dedicated to jerk chicken with about 40 different techniques and styles of preparing the Jamaican jerk chicken recipes. You've even got jerk chicken pasta, one of my personal favorites. You've got of course curry mutton, or what's known as curry goat popularly in Jamaica. You've got oxtail and beans, a very very tasty dish, and something that Jamaicans love. You've got of course your jerked pork, tasty dish. Many people love this as well. And you've got great soup recipes like the famous Manish water. You've got cake recipes like our famous Jamaican rum cake. And of course you've got drink recipes like the tasty June plum drink. And of course finally, as a dessert, you can top it off with some mango ice cream. Now of course, how much does the downloadable book cost? It's only $9.99 for over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. So what are you waiting on? Visit the website www.getjamaica.com, look for this link, click on it, and it'll take you to the download page. Just go ahead, enter your data, and pick up the book today. You can't. It's just absolutely dramatic. You're talking about 1,000 recipes for just $9.99 right at your fingertips. So okay guys, till tomorrow, look out for our next video, and subscribe to us at Jamaica Cooking on YouTube.